What is engineering?
Engineering colleges raise concerns about
India's crisis of engineering education.
पहला तनाव होता है कि इंजीनियर बनना ही होगा.
What is engineering?
the quality of engineers being produced.
Indian engineers who used to dream of
दूसरा तनाव होता है कि
What is engineering?
finding a promising job
इंजीनियर बनना ही नहीं.
Is engineering?
get into their final year.
इन तीनों की दुविधाओं,
Engineering.
Engineering
खुशियों
Engineering.
और सपनों
guide.
I always liked building stuff, making stuff, everything from scratch, knowing how things work from level 1. So, and I always had an edge towards building robots and controlling them. Like when I was introduced to the Arduino, that totally blew my mind, and then I just, full deep dive into it. And so that's basically what I hope I answered the question. This is PLA, red PLA. Some design structure. Like strength wise, I don't have a number for you, but it's one of the strongest. Usually for PLA, 220 to 224 temperature is required to melt the PLA. If you want to print something, all you have to do is give the design to this people who print it. And now even I know how to do that. Like, I don't know how to calibrate this, that's the only thing I don't know. Like, it's a big process, it took 10-15 minutes just to calibrate it. First, there was a green material, so I told that I want red material. So we had to take it out and then put it. So then I saw how he calibrated everything, and then he makes a small spanner. Just see this spanner? He makes that to test like everything is okay. Hopefully not.
Good Bollywood.
Are you fucking
That's a
kidding
lot.
me right now? Okay, so wait, there's there's Hollywood, there's Bollywood, there's Tollywood, which is
Tollywood,
Telugu.
Tollywood for Telugu, Collywood for Tamil,
How do you spell it?
K-O-L-L-Y.
K-O-L.
Collywood with a K.
Is it K-H? Hollywood.
Collywood.
Then Mollywood? What is Mollywood? Malayalam.
I don't know for Marathi.
चलो मूवी बनाते हैं.
Hey, Marathi is Bollywood, bro. Yeah, that's fair.
Hindi, Marathi.
All Mumbai stuff is Bollywood.
All Mumbai because film theater is there. What does this machine do? Wire cutting starts from outside, right? Just to take out this part. 2.5, 3. Like in a day, I come and I do 2 parts. Now I need to make a hole here. Okay? I need to make a hole here. The wire cutter can't do that because it cuts from outside, right? This is an internal structure. So for that I have to put a paper, find the center of the box, then drill a hole and then cut. Cutting it, the slabs, 1 foot by 1 foot, 1.5 foot by 1 foot, 1 slab. Okay, then wire cutting. The coolant comes and the wire cuts it. So that's wire cutting, and then 3D printing from this from 2% to 97%. So there are 3 parts basically. Object detection, I got to find the ball, then I got to track the ball. These are the main 2 parts that I've learned. Like the last part, that's shooting the ball into the hoop, robotics, inverse kinematics. I know somewhat about that. Like changing it into motor, actuator positions and all. I have some experience in that. The main thing is using OpenCV, like computer science, to track the ball, to find the ball first and track the ball. One main problem that I faced while finding the ball is it takes your face also into consideration, because your face also looks much like a ball. So you got to have some wiggle room in your statistics to capture the ball. So that's what I'm facing problems in right now. I got to find a solution, like what to do about it. I'm working on that right now. I went to an industrial plant, Zuari Agrochemicals. It's a company listed on the stock exchange. Chemicals, they make chemicals, fertilizers basically. So I went there for 1 month. So in that 1 month I saw all the plants. I studied in detail one system, like only one system of the entire plant, the bagging system. When the fertilizers come and then they bag them up. So the entire PLC control for that, the whole internship was like half of the internship was that. The other half was just exploring, talking to professors, talking to the officers, asking them for guidance. That's it. To show my identity, I got some. So can I get in right now?
You can apply. Hey,
are you
Java,
getting
no?
paid right now?
Yeah.
How are you getting paid?
There's only 4 last week because I only worked 1 week.
But it feels good, right? What are we talking about? How can I get into Rocket?
You can do Java.
But I can get it right now.
Right now, as in today night, I can't give you the job. I don't know. I'll definitely, I can refer you.
Can you do that?
I can do that. I can do that.
Okay, I'm good in Python and stuff. Really good.
Python, C++.
I'm almost done with engineering and I don't know a single thing about this. Like, that felt like very hollow in me, Something like I should be able to do at least this much. See, I'm really interested in robotics. And when I saw it, I fell in love with it like instantly, okay? And the one more reason was also that I didn't know anything about it and I'm finishing 4 years of engineering, like what the fuck, I should be able to do, I should at least know something about this. So that's why. It's a BT, bro, but it's fun also. That's what's keeping me going, it's fun. Okay, so I stay in Goa and looking for like really good colleges close to me. MIT was one of the closest. It's just 3.5 hours by train. That's one of the biggest reasons, and because it's MIT, why not? MIT,
Okay, so you answered this, and you answered why did you choose this project as well. Does your answer fit to this question?
Right.
And how is this
Sanjay,
project important for your career?
No, it's not. It's just a fun career. It's just for fun. It's not going to impact my career in any way.
Bring that thing in. Engineering is about fun. It's not about, always hunting for grades, hunting for...
Sanjay, that's all your fault. You changed your fucking stance and you stopped talking. You're doing good, but then you stopped. It's your fault. ये 10 वोल्ट का है ना, इस पर कनेक्ट करते हैं ना सप्लाई पर, उसके लिए वायर्स हाँ, सप्लाई पर कनेक्ट करने के लिए वायर्स चाहिए।
एसएमपीएस कनेक्ट करने के लिए नहीं, वो वायर्स नहीं आने
नहीं है।
आपको हार्डवेयर शॉप में ट्राई कीजिए।
क्या पूछना होगा? क्या पूछना होगा? कौन से वायर्स चाहिए?
ये एसएमपीएस है। हाँ, इसको एसएमपीएस बोलते हैं।
ओके, पता है कहाँ मिले?
नेपाल का इतना पता नहीं हम लोग को।
चलो these are the problems I face, everyday fucking problems. Can't get material, I have to go to fucking Udupi, go get steel. I could go 40 minutes, bro. I had to travel just to buy 2 things. Practical fucking problems. How does the techniques have, bro? It's like lead chase, right?
Oh, bro, this is actually good.
Started. Okay, so this is one of the pieces of equipment I'll be using. My main sensor. It's a Xbox Kinect. So it has this IR sensor in it, which gives you all this depth information, which I'm going to be using to detect and track the basketball that's going to be hitting the backboard. So you can see like some of the 3D visuals over here. Yeah, so this is basically the room. This is me right here. Like, so this is Kinect right over here. It gives us whatever is closest to the camera and what is further to the camera. So here you can see that we are right here, and if you shift the camera, you can see the AC up in the corner, right? You can see the laundry bag there behind, and it also gives you this human skeleton kind of. No, I got to learn that. So right now this is what I'm learning. Disconnect. Getting depth information is really important, right? Especially for this project, because there's a huge difference when you analyze stuff in 2D to when you analyze stuff in 3D. So this is classified shit, bro. VS Code. So editor, text it. So which code do you want to see first? Let's go step by step. Let's see what is the webcam color detect. Trackers are here. Where's the video? This is the result that I'm getting. Okay, if I change this shit, I should be getting white. That is white. What is happening? Is the camera not working? The camera is off here. What happened to the camera? Achha, now it's come. See, you get this. This is basically just to isolate a particular color. You want to do an experiment or something. Okay, let's isolate this red thing. Okay. So these are basically the trackers. You just move them until you isolate your color. There's some noise in the image, but yeah, this is, I think, the best I can do for now. Is the red being detected? No, I put it for another red. I think I put it for an orange. So, okay, basically you get this blue, right? See, it's tracking the blue bottle, basically. That's what's happening. But I have a lot of blue even on my shirt, and also there's noise. It's basically how well you can isolate a particular image. Okay, next I'll show you BT video. What are you adjusting the focus? Let's check this out. Okay, it's just the two of us. Then the ball comes, it detects the ball, and it also shows you in which direction it's going. And no ball. No ball. It should detect this also. No, it won't. The radius is too small. If I change the radius, right, of the circle, like this is a big circle. If I change like to detect it, even if it's smaller, then it will detect this too. Enter, and then you can see it tracks its future position. You can see all these circles. They are basically tracking it. I just got this video from YouTube. Just small clip, edited it out. So this is, then I select the ball, what part of the ball, press escape. And then see, it's tracking the future positions of the ball. That's what I want. That's what I need to pass to my motors. Now this is all in 2D. Now after this I'll be going in 3D. It tracks. Then circle, square, extract. So this was scratch, like when I was starting. Then from that I came to detecting ball. That was one achievement. After detecting the ball, then tracking. That took some time though to complete. Getting anything good.
But I know that's a way. That's one of the way you can go. Because I can get out, I don't mind.
Bro, everyone, see, like I have my uncle, right? He's just an engineer, not uncle. My cousin's husband. So he's just an engineer. So he said, like, do masters. Because once you get into the field, everybody around you has a master's.
Oh, dude.
And then that will eat you. If you're doing industrial, going into corporate, at least.
He's the star.
No,
Yeah, I can't distract him.
What? No. You
You're the star.
You are a Hollywood star, dude. Come on. Shine bright.
You shine bright like a diamond.
Like a diamond in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. No, like diamonds. Whoa. Diamonds behind you. Sanjay, don't fall. That would be amazing footage. Sanjay. And I have this new Kinect Xbox One camera. Getting all 3D graphics. I showed Sanjay everything.
How much are you spent for this?
For what?
The whole project.
I don't know. But this is all these plates, dude. I spent $900 on this plate. Now gone. Stop it.
Can't you ask your... Hey, call up your sir. Ask him what's his name.
No.
Where's the moon?
Hello.
I must have called like 1,000 times. But you tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done.
I don't know.
Yeah,
It's not coming towards Earth, no.
it could be.
No, dude. It's a starlight.
You can take astrophotography on your camera.
Yeah, I have a few other lenses, but I'm not good
I have a short idea of it. You see the flies over there in that light with the city as the background from here.
I probably mostly want it.
This is the moment he made his decision. This is the moment. We capture the moment.
Bro, what did you decide? What did you decide?
Video footage. I'm going back. Finally decided. It's the logical decision, dude. Because if the lockdown extends, then I'm fucked. That I cannot afford. Yeah, I'm done with Manipal.
Now the whole projector. Just a second.